If your journey is delayed and you arrive at your final destination more than 15 minutes late due to a delay on an EMR service, you may be entitled to compensation through our Delay Repay scheme. In this video, we'll show you how to submit a claim. Before you begin, have your ticket and journey details ready. First, enter your personal details including your name, email address and postcode. Please check your email carefully as we'll use this to update you on your claim. Next, enter your journey details including the date and time of travel and your origin and destination stations. Please be sure to enter your full journey, not just the delayed service. Then select your intended journey from the list provided. If you cannot find a connecting journey, you can edit the details on this screen. You'll then be asked to tell us about your delay. Select the length and type of delay experienced. If you missed a connection or are claiming for multiple passengers, choose the relevant option before continuing. Now enter your ticket details. If you travelled using more than one ticket, select yes and add each ticket. If you used a single ticket, select no. Next, upload your ticket. For e-tickets, you can upload a screenshot or a digital copy. Make sure all the details are clearly visible. Your ticket reference number is usually located beneath the QR or barcode. If your ticket doesn't have a QR or barcode, select the correct ticket type and upload a clear image. If you're using a paper ticket, please ensure it has been marked or spoiled before uploading. If we're unable to automatically locate your ticket, simply press continue and follow the on-screen instructions to manually enter the ticket details. Once your ticket has been verified, review your claim and choose how you'd like to receive your compensation. Check your details carefully before continuing. Finally, check all the information you've entered and select Submit. You'll receive confirmation that your claim has been received and we'll notify you once it has been reviewed. Thank you for travelling with East Midlands Railway. For further support, please visit the Delay Repay section of our website.